Today, I'll be showing you a delicious recipe on how to get Google and other creepy big tech companies from spying on your life and have lots of fun doing it. All we need is a little Raspberry Pi. Let's get to it. Big tech companies, including Google, are always making headlines for privacy concerns and privacy violations. When it comes to file storage, it's not very reassuring to know that they are collecting all of your data, not only your files, but also everything that you do within there and even your location. That's very creepy. I'm going to show you how to own your data and build your own file cloud server in just 1 minute. In this video, we're going to be using a Raspberry Pi 4, a power supply, and an SD card. We're also going to be using a software called Tailscale. If you want to know how to set it up, I'll put a link in the description on how more details. This assumes they have basic familiarity with Raspberry Pis. Now, once you have your Raspberry Pi set up, you'll want to clone the project. I'll put the link in the description. Once you do, you want to go to that folder and you want to type docker compose up. Once you do that, it will take about a minute to get things installed and set up. Pay attention to the logs. Eventually you'll get a login link down here. Click on it so you can connect it to your VPN. And then once it says done, you'll want to press Ctrl+C to stop it. Once it does, you just type in command composer up-D to let it run on the background. And your server now should be up and running. To access it, you just go to your iPhone or any device. You go and you connect to the server. You type in your address, smb files dot your tailnet name, and then you can access your folders. Now you own your data and you can access all your files. For more details on this project, please access the link in the description or leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.